For this first lesson in our English Language Arts folder today, we're going to be focusing on the sound k, k. Now remember, you can write that with C or K. There's some rules on that. And sometimes you'll hear it at the beginning of the words, and sometimes you'll hear it at the end of words, okay? So today we're going to look at the sound k, 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 K at the beginning of the words, okay? So, for instance, okay, listen here. We're going to circle the things that begin with the k sound with the letter K on page 163, okay? And at the top, you'll see we have kite, k. So we can go ahead and circle that. Say kite, k. What about key, k, key, k? Can we circle that? Yes, we can. What about ladder ol? Ladder ol. Does that begin with the k sound? No. We're going to cross that out. Then right down here, say kangaroo, k, kangaroo, k, k, kangaroo. Yes, we can circle that. Banana, banana. Do we hear the k sound at the beginning? No. Koala, k, k, koala. Do we hear the k at the beginning? Yes, we do. So we can circle that. K, k, king. Say k, k, king. Do we hear the k sound at the beginning? Yes, so we can circle that. Okay. Say feather, feather. Do we hear the k sound at the beginning? No. We hear f, which is with the letter F, not the letter K. Say k, k, kayak, k, k, kayak. Yes, that has the K at the beginning. Okay, so on this page, we focused on pictures and words that begin with the k sound. Now let's go to the back side here. Let's go ahead and flip that over. On this side, for this activity, we're going to be focusing on things that end with the k sound, end. So lion, n. Say lion, n. That ends with the n sound, not the k sound. Okay, just like we saw in the video that you can have the k sound at the beginning of the words and you can also have it at the end of words. So we're listening for the end of the words. Okay, right here. Say echo kick, k, kick, k. So that's where you hear the k at the end of the word. So we're going to circle that. Okay, so remember we're listening to the ending sound, the sound we hear at the end of the word. Okay, so this is duck, k, duck, k. Okay, so the k is at the end of duck, so we can circle that. Okay, let's go right here to the picture of the sock, k, sock, k. Do you hear the k at the end of that word? Sock, k. Let's go ahead and circle that. Now in the middle there, we have envelope, p, envelope, p. So we have the p sound. That's not the K sound, so we're going to cross that out. Now at this picture here, say rock, k, rock, k. Do you hear the k, k sound at the end? Yes, so we can circle it. This picture here, say lock, k, lock, k, k, k. You hear that k sound, so we can go ahead and circle that. Now the picture here, the little arrow is pointing to the neck, k, k, neck, k, k. So when you say that, you hear the k at the end of neck, k. So we're going to go ahead and circle that. And then this right here, the arrow is pointing to the little girl, and you're going to say lick, k, k, lick, k. So you hear the k at the end of the word lick, so we can go ahead and circle that. Okay, so very often you'll hear the k sound at the beginning of the words and then also at the end of the words. Go ahead and give yourself your exit ticket right here. Okay, and then you're going to put this, close this up, put this away back in your Language Arts folder, but keep your Language Arts folder out because we're going to work on our sight word, do some sight words next.